I ain't been getting.
Okay, right. Hello. Obviously, I'm still not going to show my face, but this is the figure we will be unboxing. As I said, it might not have picked up, but American Nightmare Cody Rhodes Greatest Hits main event basic. I was looking for the Dominic, but I couldn't find it. If you want to know where to find this, I just went into my local shop, went into the back WWE section, and yeah, there it was, just chilling. So we're just going to look into the details. I really like the boots on this figure. I think it's very cool. I like the design. The tattoo, if you can see it, might be on the other side. Yeah, it's on that side there. But I think they should have put some colour into it. I know it is hard just for a little minor detail, but overall still a good figure. They have Dream right there, if you can read that. I think on the back there, I think that's him in his entrance attire, just there. It says he is good for his suplexes. Take the word for it. I like this attire. I don't know if this was maybe main event, but I like the attire. I like the kind of like the American style. I like the little gold on the side, all the stars. I like the red kind of bottom half. I like kind of like the red like belt. It's like the blue just below it. I like that. I still think Cody's got kind of like white hair. I don't know why they're kind of still making him blonde. Sorry about that. But I actually like how they're making him blonde, because I don't think having like a white hair like that would be very nice. But yeah, I've just noticed that the box has a little like hole there to open it. So I'm going to open it very carefully and very nicely. But I forgot to show you, if I didn't, then this was made by Mattel, if that might be backwards. And there's Roman, obviously Cody Rhodes, Roman Reigns, Drew McIntyre, and Dominic Mysterio. Yeah, greatest hits main event, Cody Rhodes. I want to say there's probably Raw or Smack, maybe it might have been the main event, but I was maybe thinking some like WrestleMania attire, something like that. But other than that, I was looking for a Dominic. I don't know if I already said that, but they didn't have any. They only had Drew's, Roman's, and Cody's. So Cody Rhodes, as I said, is my favourite wrestler. And that 2-pack, and there will be a 2-pack opening of Legacy, as some people has already seen my edit that I made of them. Yeah, so as I was saying, let's get right into this. So I like the WrestleMania attire. I think it's really nice. I think it was an absolute steal. I only got it for $9.99. We're gonna go for a quick transition here. I didn't know I got a John Cena figure. That was a terrible joke. Guess we gotta use a little bit more magic. Oh, there we go. So this is it out of the box. It is very cool. I really like it. I just need to readjust myself, get the sleeves back rolled up. I really like this figure. I have a grey trunk Cody. It was kind of like one of his first basics, but this, look at the detail on that there. That detail is absolutely insane. I'm just going to put the arms up so you can see it a bit better. That on the boots as well. Them boots are clean. Look at the back. There's an eagle on his butt. Yeah, I like the front design as well. Boots as well. They have done the tattoo well. I know it just looks like a smudge for use, but it is like designed as it, but like there is no colour. Yeah, so that is his like face close up. That's the back. And I actually didn't know this about basics. I've not bought a WWE figure for years, but the basics now, their legs like spread right out like what the Elite's done. So like that's why I always used to get Elites. I know it's weird, but like I always used to just not get basics for that one reason. Oh. The figure is kinda, give me 2 minutes. We're back. This leg, when I spread that out, it like moved out of place. And like, so I just kinda pushed it up like that. I just kinda got it by the knee and pulled it up like that. It's kinda, I don't really want to move it about too much now. But let's take this thing to the ring. Transition. Okay, now guys, so we have him in the ring, and we're just gonna make him do a couple of poses like the crossroads, his famous woe, Cody cutter. It's lost me, but I will do it. I can't remember. It's like the backflip from the top rope. Right, let's get right into that. First we have the crossroads. This is like just about to happen, and again, I just can't get over how cool this figure looks. So we're doing it on Braun Breaker. This was his Royal Rumble attire when he snapped ISO speed in half. But like, if like you wanted to, you could do like commentary and go, and Cody Rhodes going for the crossroads. Oh, crossroads. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And it retains. And now we're going to do the Cody cutter. And I'm just going to go and find a different wrestler and go and do it. And this is Cody Rhodes going mid like Cody cutter. And his hand is attached onto it, so I'll take that hand off so now I can show you how the move actually works. Cody Rhodes going for the cutter. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to show you the backflip from the top rope. I genuinely can't remember it. That is very bad. It came back to me, the moonsault. So this was one of Cody's like signatures back in the day, when he was dashing, and undashing, I think. But yeah, this is it, the moonsault. In action, it goes like, and Cody Rhodes going for the moonsault. Whoa, moonsault. 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna get into some of his entrances, walkouts, so like the woe and things like that. We're still gonna do it in the ring, so he has like a good balance on to do it. He's doing his famous whoa. Probably the most famous part of his entrance, and then like he goes like this, punches the floor, and then like Batista's like fireworks and things like that go off. Yeah, so overall for a first ever unboxing, I'm glad it was Cody Rhodes, and just lie him down. And I'm just going to kind of show you him again, just kind of so you get like the last looks on him. I very much recommend getting this figure. It's such a good figure. Like, I will just be showing you that now. So this is the figure. Again, just like another little look at him. There's the sides, that's one of his sides. There's the other, are they? I don't know if they're 2 different designs. There's the boots up close, there's the other one up close. I really thought they should have done like the colours, what they done on the boot, like what they done straight to the neck. I found it cool they kind of done like the band-aid type thing on his right arm and not on his left, because that's kind of like his signature look. It is really cool. And these were the 3 figures that I done the moves on. CM Punk, an OG CM Punk actually just before they left. Sorry about that. Yeah, but sideburns, bunch of tattoos. The only thing is about this figure, I'm pretty sure one of the arms don't bend. Let me just check. So actually, it may not look like that, but this arm here, this arm is very stiff. Like you can barely move it, as you can see. With the other arm, if I can manage to switch my hands, that. That's just a normal moving arm, it's just quite old. That is quite stiff trying to move down. That's quite stiff to try and move in and things like that. But under that, it's actually quite good. It is quite cool that actually Darby Allin copied CM Punk with like the drug-free type thing. That's quite cool. Anyway, I'll show you the Finn Balor and Braun Breaker. It's the Braun Breaker figure. This was his attire when he bet, not when he bet, but when he killed Ice with Swede. It is a bit tacked up in the eye. There is something up there in the eye. I don't even know what that is. I think that was actually already in the figure. Yeah, like there. That is like the knee pads. He doesn't have any elbow pads. I like the little tattoo design. They've done like the hair and the beard really well. Same with the attire. And now I'm going to show you the Balor. Okay, so here is the Finn Balor. I don't know if this is like a Scottish version. As you can see, it's like the blue and like the cross. So on like the back as well. I like the tattoo he's got. His like sleeve, got quite an angry face there going. Quite good detail on like the teeth and that. Actually looks like real teeth. Knee pads, boots, yeah. Another good basic. As you can see, these legs, they don't spread out. But if you want to see like Braun Breakers, they'll spread out like that. But Cody Rhodes does, like the new elites must just only start doing that. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching my first ever long form. I did have a reaction video. I kept trying to put it up, but because it was other like content, I was not allowed to do it. So this was your last look at the figure. Highly recommend it. It's just a basic. This is the package it's in. This is exactly what it would look like. This is the peel on the back. I'm still looking for that Dominic Mysterio. Don't know what it actually looks like, but only $9.99. That's an absolute steal. I will definitely still be playing with this once I got off. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.